Vanakkam, Namaskar, welcome back to my channel guys. My name is Sangeeta Devendran and you are watching Bold and Beautiful. So finally I'm back with yet another video. So today I'm going to share my sugar haul video. I'm so super excited. I cannot tell you like how long I've been waiting to do this. Now first of all I would like to give an introduction about the Sugar brand. So Sugar is a brand which is a cruelty-free brand and it is an Indian brand. I love to say this, that Sugar is an Indian brand. Sugar brand was founded by two IIM students and it was founded on 2012. Since then it has become a rage. It has it has expanded its arena in everywhere. So I'm so happy to announce that Sugar is finally coming up with such a good product, and it is actually giving a tough fight to one or many other high-end brands. So let's start with the Sugar haul. Now I have received I have ordered so many products, and I have received that in this kind of Sugar written box. It's very classic. It's black in color, and in that I have received the products. As you can see, I have so many products here. So guys, I have received all the products in this kind of pouch or sachet. As you can see, it is a Ziploc pouch. Once you open that, it is completely bubble wrapped. So it was very safe and one of the best packaging I could say. So the very first thing I have ordered from Sugar is this sheet mask. As you can see, this is a cheat sheet mask brightening mask. This is very classic, very sturdy, I would say. As you can see how it is. Now this I wanted to buy for such a long time because I thought that why not try a sheet mask, since sheet mask is so good for your skin to be hydrated before your makeup, or once if you finish your makeup you want to just switch on to your skincare. This is one good thing for your skincare. So I ordered this. Now this retail for 199 rupees and the net quantity of this is 25 gram. Since you can see, this is very simple package, and everything is mentioned over here. The expiry date is mentioned over here. The shelf life of this particular sheet mask is around 3 years, which is really very good, commendable. And you can see why this mask is to be used. Whatever your problem is, it is written here on the top of the sheet mask. So I like this a lot. So this is the primer, you guys. This is what I have ordered. This I really wanted to try, since this clearly says that this minimizes the pore, and I have pore issues. I have a lot of pores here, open pores here, which I really want to hide when I start my makeup. So this is again one of the best primer, at least I have heard, and the name of the product is written here, as you can see. So this is called Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer, and the packaging, as you can see, it comes with this kind of cardboard packaging with a graffiti face made, and the Sugar logo is here. So whatever content they have used, they have given here. It also says that this is a cruelty-free brand, which is really very good, and I appreciate Sugar for that. Now this is 30 ml. The quantity of this particular is 30 ml, and it retails for, I'll tell you, it retails for 799. Entire thing is written here, and the shelf life of this particular product is again 3 years. I have noticed that all the Sugar products, it has at least 3 years of shelf life. Now when you open this, this is it is like this, very small, very tiny, very sleek, and very good looking and very sturdy. And it has a screw cap. As you screw this, you can open this, and I'll just show you how it looks. So it's again a very clear primer. It is silicone based primer, and it's very light in texture. There is nothing like, I barely can feel that there is some product in it. So again, one of the best product I really wanted to try. Third product what I have ordered is this Illuminator. This is Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. Now this is again one of the best selling product of them. Now I noticed that when this was introduced, it was introduced at the price 699, but now I think they have shot down the price, cut down the price. Now this has become 499. If you go and buy from their website, guys, I'm telling you, you can save a lot of money. Best illuminator. Now I can compare this with MAC. I don't have MAC, but then I have heard from a lot of YouTubers that this is exactly like MAC's illuminator or stroke cream. So I wanted this one. This is in the shade 1. They have mentioned here shade 1, and again the graffiti cardboard box and sugar logo is here. Along with that, they have also mentioned whatever the ingredient they have used along with the cruelty free logo. And at the back of the package you can see they have mentioned all the ingredient whatever they have used along with the price and the expiry date. Now I'll read how much this retail for. This is for 699 as I already said, but then now they have cut down the price. This has become for 499, and the quantity we are getting is 25 ml and the shelf life is 3 years. Now again, if I open this packaging, it's again very classic black tube. As you see, sugar, and they have written everything here. Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade 01 Gold Digging. And at the back of this they have given all the details. So this is again one of the best product out in the market. If you really want to try, you can give it a try, guys, and I would suggest that you buy these products if they have this discount or offer going on. Now as I just spread this particular product, you see it barely has any stickiness. It's very light. It is very moisturizing. I can feel that it's very smooth. Also you can see that it has instantly given a glow or shine to my skin. So I love this illuminator. So that was my third product. Now let's move on to the fourth product. I have ordered the foundation. Now this is one of the most raved foundation stick, at least I have come across in the entire YouTubers content. So I really wanted to get my hands on this, and finally I got this. So this is how the sugar package looks like. Again, the same basic graffiti face on the particular cardboard box, sugar logo, and they always write the name of the product here. So this is called Ace of Face Foundation Stick. I am in the shade 42 Glaze. I hope you can see. They have also written the product name and number here. So once you open that, the product something looks like this. It's a cute little stick. Now this is dual ended. One side you get the product like that. You screw this up and you'll get the entire product. I'll show you how much quantity you get. This much you get, and this retail for 999, almost 1 rupees lesser than the 1000. So in 1000 rupees you get 12.12 gram of product, and at the other end you have this kind of brush, which is really very good. Now this is little stiff. It's not super soft, but yet if you don't want to carry any brush with you, you are traveling and you just want a foundation and something to blend, you can definitely use this. I love this foundation. I'll definitely give a review on this, that how I like this foundation. Also, I'm just going to show the shade. So this is, oh my god, it just glided like butter. It glided like butter. So this is a glaze. So the fourth product I have ordered is this translucent face powder. Again, I have heard a lot about this powder. If you really want to set your powder, You can use banana powder, but I really wanted to try this translucent powder because I know that this powder was compared to Huda Beauty's translucent powder as well. The qualities are almost similar, and that is why I really wanted to get my hands on this. Now if you see this packaging, it looks super cute. Again, the same cardboard box with the graffiti and sugar logo. This is called as All Set to Go translucent powder. Now I'll tell you, this retail for 599. This retail for 599. Here it's written. All the details are written over here, and the net weight we get in this particular product is 7 gram, and it has 3 years of shelf life. So I think we can pretty much use this product for a longer time. So once you open the package, you see guys, you get this kind of cute little square box inside which the sugar translucent powder is here. Now this is a transparent box, and this is the powder here, translucent powder, white in color. If you open this, you see there's a cute little mirror, and you get a puff along with this, and if you remove this puff, there is this plastic coating or plastic sheet which is protecting the seed. If you remove this, the powder will be used, so you can use the powder. So it's really very good and thoughtful that they have given this cute little sponge along with this. I really like this. Is very soft, and I'm super excited to try this. So that's it guys. For face, I have ordered all of this. Now let's move on to eyes. So this is the eyeliner guys. Again, this product is one of the most best-selling product out of all the products from Sugar Cosmetics. I again wanted to buy this, so I bought this. I think there are 3 variant or 2 variant in gel liner. I bought the black one, and this is called Born to Wing Gel Liner 01 Black Magic Woman. You see, it's written here, and the number is written here, 01. And same again, the cardboard box, there is nothing so fancy. I like this graffiti woman image and sugar logo. And if you see, they have also mentioned all the details at this cardboard box. Now this again retail for 599, and the quantity what we are getting is 2.3 gram. 2.3 gram of product for 599 rupees. Now let's open this and I'll show you how it looks. I have already used this once, and it is really very good. I can say that it doesn't smudge. It dries out very quickly as soon as you apply. So this is how it looks guys. It is very cute, very tiny little pot where it's written sugar, and if you open this, it looks something like this. Very tiny little pot, and in this cap only you'll get this brush. This is how the brush looks like, and if you want you can apply like this, or if you don't want you can just use simply the brush. And once you use this, you finish and again you put it back. So this is again one of the thoughtful thing they have come up with, because what happens, we lose the eyeliner brushes most of the time. So in this kind of packaging you'll never lose the brush. At least I won't lose a brush. Anyway, so this is how this sugar product looks like. Again, very cute, very good. I'll swatch how the color looks on my hand. So this is, oh my god, can you just see how gorgeous the color is? Such a gorgeous dark deep black color, and I barely put any pressure, and this is one swipe you guys. This is second, third, fourth. Can you see? I barely touched the product, so it is really very pigmented. So after eyes, I love to again show my best loved products, lipsticks. Now I have bought two lipsticks. Along with that, I've got this mini lipstick complimentary. I'll show you one by one. The first one I bought is Smudge Me Not Duo Lip Duo. This is how it looks. Again, the basic cardboard packaging with the graffiti face over here and sugar logo over here. And this is in the shade 14 Teak Mystic. As you can see. Now Smudge Me Not has already that smaller packaging bottles. I hope you have seen. If I don't have, if I have, I would have shown it. So I thought, why not try this, because this is a duo product and it has a clear gloss on the other side. So this is like this. One side you get your lipstick and the other side you get your clear gloss. So again, this is very thoughtful to bring something like this. The price of the product is $5.99 and the quantity we get is 3.5 ml of product we get here. So this is again very good. I'll just watch how it looks. So this opens up like that, and it has this kind of doe foot applicator. It is slightly bent, which is I think is a great, because if you get very stiff, it is also very soft. As you see, it moves. If you see any stiff brush, that doesn't give you the smoothest application as much as I have tried. So this kind of applicator gives you a lot of control. So I'll just show here. So this is how Teak Mystique look. It's very good maroon brown kind of color. It has brown undertone, and that's it. This is how this Teak Mystique Duo Lip looks, and the other side is gloss. It's a clear gloss. As you can see, there is nothing fancy. So the second lip product I have ordered is this Suede lipstick. This is called Suede Secret Matte Lipstick Lip Color in the shade 6 Taffety Terracotta. Now this is again one of the best shade for dusky girls. I love this product a lot. I've already opened this and I have swatched this. So again, if I see this retails for $7.99 guys, and the product we get, the quantity we get is 6 ml of product. So for $7.99, 6 ml of product, Sugar Cosmetics. This is how it looks. So you see, very sleek packaging. There's nothing too fancy, but I like this packaging a lot. Black color cap and a frosted glass bottle. I don't know if this is glass. I think it is plastic. It's not glass, but it has weight. Looks so good. I'll just swatch this and show how the color looks. This has basic doe foot applicator. As I said, this is a stiff one. This doesn't move a lot, and this is how the swatch of this lipstick looks. This is again a very orangey brown tone, warm color. I love this kind of shade, you guys. I love this. So this is how it looks. I love this product. I'll just give you the review once I use this. I haven't used it yet, but definitely I'll tell you my experience, how long lasting these products are. So that's it. And if you see, you can see the name and the code over here. So this is how this looks. Now finally, most adorable product from Sugar is these mini Smudge Me Not lipstick, guys. This I haven't bought. This I got as a complimentary piece. Now once you open this again looks very cute, very small, very tiny. It's almost like my little finger size. So the same logo and the graffiti thing, and here they have written the name, Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick Mini. I don't think this comes, this we can buy single. I think you can buy as a I think you can buy as a mini lipstick set. because this doesn't come alone. That's what I have discovered from Sugar website. So the shade number is written here, number in name. This is 08 Wine and Shine. Again, one of the most gorgeous color. I have never came across such beautiful blue tone pink color, guys. This is how it looks. Very cute, very tiny little mini lipstick. Now once you open this, again the same doe foot applicator, and the swatch, it looks like this. Can you see how gorgeous that color looks? I love this kind of bold shades, guys. So this again, as we cannot buy this single-handedly, we can buy this with set, but then if you buy so many other products, you can get a complimentary piece. That's it, guys. So these are the products I have bought from Sugar website, Sugar Cosmetics. I really wanted to buy something good for my makeup kit or my makeup collection, and finally I bought Sugar Cosmetics. Now I'll tell you how did I purchase and how did I get all these products in lesser amount. Now if you go to Sugar website, you can see that there's always something or the other offers going on. So I bought all of these products in triple treat, Sugar triple treat offer, where you can buy 3 of their bestseller products, whatever they have listed in that particular offer zone. You can buy 3 of those products under 102.99 rupees. Yes, so if you see, I have bought this foundation and this powder and this pore minimizer primer. I bought all of these 3 products, which is really costly if I buy alone or if I buy single product. I have bought all these products under that offer and I had to pay only 102.99 rupees. If I buy this one product, you see this is only this one foundation cost 1,000 rupees. So I would suggest that if you really want to buy something from Sugar Cosmetic, do buy from this kind of offer, guys. You will save a lot of money, as I have saved a lot of money. I would never bought these things alone if there would be no offer like that. So I placed 3 orders. One I placed in the month of January, near about the New Year time, where I got the calendar as well, as I showed in the beginning. I'll show it one more time. This calendar I got. So I bought 2 orders in the same offer, triple treat, Sugar triple treat offer, wherein I bought 3 products. So these 3 products, 1 order, then again I placed 1 more order, and then later now I have bought one more order. So in that kind of manner, I have purchased all of these products. So this is how I have saved a lot of money, guys. I would suggest that if you really want to buy anything from Sugar, do buy from Sugar Cosmetic website, because there they give a lot and lots of combos and offers always going on.